2 minutes ago, over 100 kilometers. You're actually seeing there that view of the second stage falling back to the Earth. Those white puffs are our attitude control systems powering off some cold nitrogen gas, as well as those grid fins are angled outwards to guide you in. And you just heard the entry burn has started. This entry burn will last for about 20 seconds. We're going to be guiding it through the entire way back to, of course, I Still Love You, the drone ship. It should shut off in about 10 seconds or so. Everything here is looking good. Nominal temperatures and engine pressures as well.
Stage 1, entry burn shutdown.
And now we will be keeping that vehicle aligned as we head ourselves back to the drone ship, leading up to a landing burn in about a minute and a half from now, with the goal of touching down at 8:34. Now, this is normal to see the cloudiness in the lens. They're coming back to the atmosphere. Those cameras themselves will be obfuscated and then cleared as we come through the atmosphere. So we'll be showing you as many views as we can. But the good news right now here in Hawthorne, and certainly in space right now, is both first stage and second stage are continuing to proceed nominally on track. So let's check back in with the trio while I keep my eye on the data up here.
So as you just heard from JFED, the re-entry burn of the first stage is complete. That's when the first stage slows itself down just as it hits the top of the atmosphere, so it doesn't damage its engines with the intense heat of re-entry.
Exactly, and once the re-entry burn is complete, we then deploy the
Stage 1 is transonic.
and use the attitude control thrusters, the little white sluts that you saw on the side of the vehicle, to effectively fly back to our final destination of the drone ship.
And as we begin to descend upon the surface of the drone ship, what will happen is those landing legs that are folded up onto the side of the rocket will deploy, and that protects the 9 Merlin engines that are on the bottom of the Falcon 9 as the Falcon 9 lands onto the drone ship.
Now we do see the drone ship. You can see it on your screen right there. It is possible we might cut out for a second. The vibration of the engines can sometimes shake the satellite link a little bit, but we hope to give you full video through. You'll be able to see the landing burn of the first stage just on the top of your screen.
Stage 1 landing burn started.
Exactly. You can see it on your screen there. What first stage actually does is it runs 1 engine, then 3, then 1 to slow it down to the final moment. And that's what you're about to see enter frame here.
And
there it